baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharik and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. So this is the straight unit, and this is a 13 by 4 lace wig. It is 24 inches long and 150% density. Really soft. You guys know that I wear this hair all the time, so I am a big fan of Beauty Forever hair. I love the texture, love the lace. It's always so nice. This unit comes pre-plucked, so I don't have to worry about that, and it also has a few baby hairs pulled out in the front. And here is the inside of the unit. The parting is really deep, which I love. It comes with the 2 combs on each side, 1 in the back, along with the adjustable straps. So I do plan on putting some curls in this unit, so let's get into it.
Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your head. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval.
This hair is so gorgeous. Look at the texture. I love this hair. Y'all know that it is one of my favorites. So check the description box for all the information below. Hey guys, it's Sharik and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Wednesday. Today I do my cook with me. So I decided that I'll do some sushi. So I need to run to the store to pick up everything that I need. So let's go to the store. Okay, so I wanted to pop in really quick and show you guys the tea from the clip earlier. This is the Honey Bush Vanilla Turmeric and it's so nice, y'all. I got this from World Market, and I've never had a Honey Bush Vanilla Turmeric tea, but it's really nice. So if you guys can get your hands on this, grab it, give it a try. All right, so I changed my top. Just because that top that I had on was a little too big and it's annoying. I'm watching Platinum D, and I'm waiting on Ryan and the Amazon guy because I bought Ryan a new lens. This is the lens right here. I bought this one for him. So it's saying that it's delivered, but it's not at my door, and I haven't got the notification that it was in the locker yet. So I'm just waiting. So as soon as Ryan comes, and we get that squared away, then I'll go to a Korean spot to get everything that I need for some sushi. I'm just gonna keep it really simple today, and do the sushi. I'm not gonna hit y'all with too much, so we're gonna do that today. Just wearing this top from H&M. I love these little tops like this. Basic long sleeve top from H&M, and I'm wearing these jeans from Forever 21. I'm not too sure if you guys saw these or the other ones because I have two pair, but these are so cute. They fit so cute, and they have a little bit of gap in the back, but it's not that bad. So love these jeans. They're so comfortable. I love the way that they fit, and I don't remember the name of them. I think they're like boyfriend jean loose fit or something like that. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take the easy route today and use the sticky rice. This is in the frozen section at Walmart or Publix. This is how it looks, so take a screenshot, or you can make your own. You would just need rice vinegar and all that jazz, and I don't feel like doing that. So I like to get this when I don't have that much time. And it's also no MSG. And then you would use cream cheese. You could use whatever brand. I like to use cucumber. This is the roasted sushi nori seaweed paper. I got mine from the Asian market, but you can get it from Walmart as well. I'm not too sure if this is the brand, but you can just get whatever nori seaweed paper you want. And then I have some black sesame seeds. You can also get these from your local grocery store. I'm gonna use avocado, and then whatever protein that you want, just whatever type of sushi you like. I'm just gonna basically just show you guys how to roll it really. For my protein, I'm gonna use some shrimp. So I'm just gonna boil it. I'm gonna let you guys watch me. Okay, so I had to put on some gloves because it gets really, really sticky and messy. And also, you want to have like a little small bowl of water just so the rice won't get stuck to your fingers, okay? All right, continue to watch.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. jealousy. But hell with it, still look a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy.
All right, y'all, so that was it for the sushi. Just make sure to season your rice, season whatever protein, and then, you know, whatever sushi you order at the restaurant, say like if you do shrimp tempura, just look up the ingredients for that, just buy it. But it's really simple to roll it. Just put the rice on the nori sheet and it's really, really simple. So yeah, I like to do it, but it gets really, really messy. So that's that. I did go to TJ Maxx yesterday and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so I saw this Dr. Wellness Bye Bye Acne patches, so I grabbed some of these because y'all know during that time of the month I always get some kind of crazy little breakout. So I grabbed these. They were only $3.99. And then I grabbed some of these Precision Beauty under eye patches, the cucumber. They had different ones, so I grabbed the cucumber because this one is supposed to help reduce puffiness and dark under eye circles. I don't have puffiness, but y'all know I do suffer from dark under eyes, and I'm trying to clear up that issue. And then I bought some of these hydrating lip masks. This is the Rose Collagen and Vitamin E. So it's supposed to help hydrate and soften dry lips, because y'all know that I sleep with a fan. So sometimes my lips get a little dry. So I like to do lip masks. I've tried these before. They do work. And then I bought some of these. It's really dark. Let me pull them out. So it comes with 4 different stones. Triangle stone. This one is the wave stone. This one is the wing stone. And then this one is the heart stone. So you can use them for different things. You can use for the curves of your arms, your legs, jawline, and shoulders. Massaging your neck, your back, and large areas of your body. So that is it. I'm going to head in the kitchen and clean up my mess because I have a big mess. Making that sushi, it gets really, really messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess, and I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding.